Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about something super useful, the future simple tense. This is the tense we use to talk about things that will happen in the future. So, if you've ever said something like, I'll call you later, or it will rain tomorrow, guess what? You're using the future simple. Here's what we will cover in this video. What the future simple tense is, the rules and structure, how to form positive, negative, and question sentences, when to use it, and finally a quick recap. So let's jump in. The future simple tense is used when we want to talk about things that haven't happened yet, but we expect them to happen later. And the great thing is it's really easy to form. We just use will with the base form of the verb. So, I will eat, you will study, they will travel. No need to change the verb itself. Simple, right? Okay, so let's talk about the structure. In English, we use will with all subjects. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. It's the same for everyone. Then we add the base form of the verb. That means no s, no ing, no ed, just the plain verb. Now, let's go over each type of sentence one by one. Positive statement. Structure. Subject plus will plus base form. Examples. I will call you tomorrow. She will start her new job next week. It doesn't matter who the subject is, just add will and the base verb. Negative statement. Structure. Subject plus will not plus base verb. Examples. He will not come to school today. We will not forget your birthday. Interrogative or positive questions. Structure. Will plus subject plus base verb. Examples. Will you join us for dinner? Will she pass the exam? Notice how will comes before the subject when we are asking a question. Interrogative, negative questions. Structure. Will plus subject plus not plus base verb. Will you not be late? Will he not need help? These kinds of questions are often used when we expect a yes or when we are a bit surprised. So now that you know how to make sentences, when exactly do we use the future simple? Let's look at the 4 most common situations. We use the future simple when we decide something right now. Example. I'm hungry, I'll order some food. You didn't plan it, you just decided it. We also use it when we are making a promise or offering to do something. Examples. I'll help you with your homework. Don't worry, I'll call you later. We use will when we are guessing what might happen, especially when it's our opinion or feeling. Examples. I think it will rain tomorrow. You will do great on your test. And finally, we use it for things that we are sure will happen. Examples. The sun will rise at 6 a.m. He will turn 18 next year. Alright, let's quickly review what we learned today. The future simple tense is used to talk about things that will happen later. We use the structure will plus base verb. For negatives, we use will not. For questions, we start with will. Use it for decisions, promises, predictions, and certain future facts. And that's the future simple. Try this. Write 4 sentences using the future simple. 1 positive, 1 negative, and 2 questions. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and keep learning.